Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to wrap text in Microsoft Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. Let's say we have a column like this. All cells have almost the same width except cell D4. To align it with the rest of the cells, we use the text wrapping function. Select a cell with too long text and click on the Wrap Text button. And as you can see, all the cells got the same width. There is also a keyboard shortcut to do this quickly. Select a cell, press Alt-HW buttons, and the text wrapping is applied. In addition, sometimes we need to manually specify a place to move the text to another line inside the cell. To do this, move the cursor to the position where you want to create a line break and press Alt-Enter key combination. This way we can create multiple line breaks in one cell. It's all now in all tool now. Thanks for watching.